Good morning everyone. Today inshallah we are going to talk about visual patterns. The last session in unit 2. Okay, I think we have studied it before. Yeah, I remembered we studied it in grade 3. Anyway, what is a pattern? A pattern is a sequence of numbers, symbols or figures. So, any pattern can be sequence of what? Of numbers, symbols or figures. Okay? Then what else? Arranged according to. Arranged according to. Attention to this. Arranged according to what? To a certain system or rule. According to a certain system or rule. So, any pattern can be a sequence of numbers, of symbols, or figures. Okay? Then, any number had a rule. Okay? For examples, example number 1. 1, 5, 9, 13. In this pattern, we have some numbers. Okay, we start from 1. After 1 we have 5. After 5 we have 9. After 9 we have 13. Okay, and he asked, what is the number after 13? To get the number after 13, you have to discover the rule of this pattern. Okay, 1 become 5. What do you notice here? I think we add 4. Yes, 5 become 9. Here also we add 4. 9 become 13, and here also we add 4. So to get the number after 13 you have to add 4. So 13 plus 4 equals 17. So we write here 17. Okay, so the pattern sequence here is what? The pattern sequence here is that every number increases, okay, by 4, increases by 4 that the previous one. Okay, or we can say each number is more than its predecessor by 4. Here 5 is more than 1 by 4. 9 is more than 5 by 4. 13 is more than 9 by 4, and also 17 is more than 13 by 4. Okay, example number 2. In example number 2 we have some letters. Okay, we start from X. After X we have Y. After Y we have Z. Then after Z we repeat X again. After X we repeat Y again. After Y we repeat Z again. Then after Z we repeat X. After X we repeat Y. After Y we repeat Z. So here the pattern sequence is repeating the first 3 letters. The first 3 letters. What is the first 3 letters? The first 3 letters are X, Y, Z. Okay, so the pattern sequence here is repeating X, Y, Z. Okay, so to get the missing letters here, you have to write the first 3 letters. The first 3 letters here are X, Y, and Z. Okay. Example number 3. We have some signs. Plus, plus, minus. Then plus, plus, minus. Here this pattern is what? Is repeating. Yes, repeating the first 3 signs. The first 3 signs here are what? Are plus, plus, minus. Okay, so to get the missing signs, you have to write the first 3 signs here. So we write plus, then write plus and minus. Okay, so here the pattern sequence is repeating plus, plus, minus. Okay, example number 4. we have some shapes. The first shape is a square, second shape is also square, the third shape is triangle. Okay, what about the fourth shape? The fourth shape is square, I think. Repeat the first shape. Okay, what about the fifth shape? The fifth shape is square. Also here, repeat the second shape. Okay, what about the sixth shape? Here, sixth shape is triangle. I think he repeat the third shape again. Okay, so here the sequence, the pattern sequence is repeating the first three shapes. The first three shapes are square, square, triangle, square, square, triangle. So to get the missing shapes, you have to write here square, write here square and triangle. Okay, okay. Okay, drill number 1. Okay, discover the pattern then complete. Yes, you have to discover the pattern then complete. Number 1, A, B, C. A, B, C. Then A, B, C. I think it's so easy. Here, the pattern is what? The pattern sequence here is repeating the first three letters A, B, C. Repeating what? Repeating the first three letters A, B, C. Okay? So, to get the missing letters, here, you have to write what? You have to write the first three letters A, B, C, of A, B, C, after that A, B, C. So here we write A, B, and C. Okay? So the pattern sequence is repeating A, B, C. Okay, example number 2. Here we have two types of triangle. Have here triangle up and triangle down. Triangle up and triangle down. Triangle up and triangle down. So here the pattern sequence is what? Is repeating the first two triangle. So to get the missing dots here, you have to write, or you have to draw triangle up and triangle down like that. Okay, okay. So the pattern sequence here is repeating triangle up and triangle down. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we have some shapes. Okay, the first shape, I think it's a rectangle divided into two equal parts. What about the second shape? The second shape, I think it's also rectangle but divided into three equal parts. What about the third shape? The third shape, I think it's also rectangle but divided into four equal parts. Okay, then after the third shape, repeat the first shape again, and after the fourth shape, repeat the second shape again. Then after the fifth shape, repeat the third shape again. So here the pattern sequence is repeating the first three shapes. Okay, so here to get the missing shapes, you have to do what? To draw the first three shapes. First one, rectangle, and divided it into two equal parts. After that, we have to draw rectangle and divide it into three equal parts. Okay, and the last one, I'm sorry, I'll write it again. Okay, the first one, rectangle, divided it into two equal parts. After that, you have to draw rectangle and divided it into three equal parts. And after that, you have to draw rectangle and divided it into four equal parts. Okay, like that. Okay. Number 4, 190, 80. Here we have some numbers. Okay, start from 100. After 100 we have 90. After 90 we have 80. To get the number after 80, you have to discover the pattern of this. You have to discover the rule of this pattern. Okay, 100 become 90. 100 become 90. I think we subtract 10 from 100. Yes. 90 become 80. Also you subtract 10 from 90. To get the number after 80, you have to subtract 10 from 80. So 80 minus 10 equals, yes, 70. So the number after 80 is 70. So to get the number after 70, you have to subtract 10 from 70. 70 minus 10 equals 60. Yes. So to get the number after 60, you have to subtract 10 from 60. So 60 minus 10 equals 50. Okay. So here the pattern sequence is what? The pattern sequence here is each number is less than its predecessor by 10, or the pattern sequence is that every number decreases by 10 that the previous one. Okay, goodbye and see you soon.